Hey guys, today on this video I will show you how we can create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. So let's get started. To create Windows 11 bootable USB drive, you will need a USB drive that has at least 8 GB of storage, and you will need a Windows 11 ISO file. So if you don't know how to download Windows 11 ISO file, I have a separate video for that. And the third thing that we need is a software called Rufus. So let me show you how we can do this process. First of all, make sure you have a Windows 11 ISO file with you. Now you have to go to Rufus website to download the Rufus. So here, on your web browser, type rufus.ie and you can go to Rufus website, and here you can see download option. So click this to download Rufus. So here I have Rufus software and Windows 11 ISO file. So after Rufus is downloaded, double click to open this program. And now plug in your USB flash drive to your computer. And here, after you plug it in, you can see your device listed here. Now here you have to select the ISO image. So make sure you have selected this option and click on select here. Locate the folder where you have the ISO file and select ISO file and click on open. And you can leave all these options default as it is, and make sure you select the right USB drive here on the top. Most of the time it will automatically detect after you plug it in, but if you have multiple USB drive on your computer, make sure you select the right one. And now you click on start and click OK, and it will take a few minutes. So now after it's done, you can see ready here. That means your USB drive is now bootable and you can boot your Windows 11 ISO from that USB bootable drive. This much for this video, guys. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.